Welcome to the next chapter, where I will show you how to connect your Vasco Translator V4 to Wi-Fi. In order to ensure the best performance of your device, it's essential to keep its software up to date. You can only do so by connecting it to Wi-Fi. Let's move on to the device and do it step by step. In order to connect your Vasco Translator V4 to Wi-Fi, first go into Settings. Then click Wi-Fi and turn it on. The device will search for available networks. Select the network you wish to connect to. Click Connect and type in the password. If you see the white Wi-Fi icon at the top of the screen, that means your Vasco Translator V4 is successfully connected to Wi-Fi. That's it for the part. Your Vasco Translator V4 has been connected to Wi-Fi. I invite you to the next part of our video tutorial, where you will learn about the next feature of the Vasco Translator V4. See ya!